Hello everyone. In today's video we will be showing how to repair a jammed Xbox 360 Slim. The problem with this device is that it turns on but the display remains invisible. The device is powered on but there is no display on the screen. Additionally, the fan tends to make a noticeable amount of noise.
बूट नहीं करता कि डिस्प्ले नहीं आता
वही अभी आपके सामने ही है.
This is the problem that will now appear. The beginning is marked by an excessively noisy fan. Why the fan is so loud? To access the internal components, it is necessary to disassemble the console. Remember, this procedure should only be attempted if you are comfortable with electronics and understand the potential risks. So let's start. Flip the console over and remove the HDD cover. Its owner is asking me if I have ever fixed this fault before. Gently lift out the hard drive. Remove the remaining grill. Using a plastic playing tool or opening, remove the other side grill. Unlock the grill frame and remove it. The Wi-Fi module must be removed. Gently lift the bottom casing away from the console. Be conscious not to force it as there may be clips holding it in place. With the top casing removed, you will have access to the internal components. Locate the screws securing the top cover to the motherboard. Remove these screws and carefully lift off the top cover. This part of it is very delicate. It is necessary to handle the separation from it with great care. First, disconnect any cables connected to the DVD and gently lift out the DVD-ROM and the hard drive caddy. To remove the caddy, ensure the side screw and then take it out. Disconnect any cables connected to these components. It appears that the heat sensor data coupling resistances are faulty. Where the reading shows 48 ohms instead of expected 0.2 ohms. First try a reflow on them. May it help in fixing their values. It has turned its value at 4.8 ohms, which is still not at its proper value. Shall we give the second one a try? This coupling causes the fan loud. Let's try this. Please be aware that these couplings are not the reason for the console jam. There has been no change. Anyhow, we can deal with it later. There are no glitches with the modification chip. It could also be the reason, yes. The chip has been swapped with a good one, but no use. I need to conduct a more thorough investigation using my component tester. This transistor becoming overheated, which could indicate that there is an error in this particular section. Yes, this small capacitor is showing short reading. After separating the transistor and the capacitor, it was found that the capacitor itself was the cause. There is no more short circuit now. Let's try powering on again. Of course, the HDMI cable must be connected. It can also be powered on with the tweezer. Yes, the chip has also started glitching. The screen should show a console display now. Hi there, it looks like the issue has been resolved. If you want to be the master, then click subscribe and bell icon, and let's do this together.